In this lesson we're going to look at different types of averages. So the average here is supposed to give you an idea of what is typical for the situation, like in a middling value. So if you look at this idea here of competition prizes, this is like things you would get in a scratch card. The jackpot, if you like, is £50,000. There's two runner-up prizes of £5,000, but the majority of the prizes of 10 or £250. So if I wanted to work out the mean here to show us what the average prize was, if you like, there's 10 of these, 2 of them and 1 of them. So there's 13 items. So I need to add them all up and divide by 13. So I'd have a 50,000, a 5,000, another 5,000 and then 10 lots of £250 to get the mean. Divide by 13. Now when you add all that up it comes to 62,500. If you divide that by 13 you get £4,807.69. Now this is meant to be a typical prize you would get if you went in for this. Now when you look at that you say, well, the typical prize is not this £5,000, which is the mean is roughly saying. The chances are that you're more likely to get £250. So in this case the mean's not a very good average to use. There's 13 prizes and 10 are far below the mean. So we need other types of averages to be able to deal with this type of situation with large outlying values. The problem with this is the 50,000. The £50,000 makes the total in the top much larger, therefore the average isn't accurate. So the most commonly occurring prize we saw before was £250, and this could be considered the most typical prize size if you like. And this is another type of average actually, it's called the mode. Now the mode is the most commonly occurring value. It's the value that occurs more often than any other value in a data set. It's dead easy to work out. You just look for the number that appears the most. So here's 3 examples of how that can happen. State the mode or modal value, that's a plural, but it also means just take the mode in each list. So if you look here at this first list, we can see that 1 appears more than any other number. So we say the average or the mode is 1. Now we write mode, so don't write m because you might mix up with the mean. So we write the word mode equals and then what the answer is. The good thing about this average is we can use letters too. Now if you're doing something like the average type of hair colour in a class, you would struggle with the mean, but using the mode you could work that out as blonde or brown or whatever. So in this case the mode is the letter that appears the most. So A's appears 4 times but B appears 5 times, so the mode is B. Okay, in this example in the bottom we have to find the most commonly occurring number. So I can see 3 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 4 also appears 4 times. So we can say that the mode is 3 and 4, and you just write it like this. There doesn't need to just be one mode, it can be more than one value.